Fahrettin Ersin Alaka. He reached us from Helsinki, where he is a PhD candidate at the Aalto University. And he will tell us about his research on management theory for art education.
My name is Ersin Alaka. I'm a PhD student at Aalto University at School of Art and Design. And actually, I can say if you think the weather is outside cold, you are so mistaken. You should see Helsinki. And I prepared, I'm an industrial designer actually, so my contribution will be today from a design point of view. So let's read the abstract together. And my theory, my paper engages business and design lexicon to develop future strategies for an art education system liberated from business constraints, adapting the front-end innovation process stage and constructivist design approaches, allowing the active participation of stakeholders, may serve as a unique and multidisciplinary tool, challenging the existing habits, shaping the educational structure. Just to be clear, what I mean with stakeholders is just everyone involved in the art processes. I mean not also art producers, but also receivers and observers. The main idea is providing art with a systematic and sustainable innovation process, strengthening art's productivity and cultural status as a response to design's expansion. Art education is here a suitable basis to coordinate the interaction of different stakeholders, and new media art is a convenient field to realize this theory. Bruno Munari, a very well-known artist and the author of the book entitled Design as Art, stated in the 60s that designers embraced the role of the artist in the ancient times when art had been just trade. So it was very important for him because designers could re-establish the lost contact between art and random people. But however, today it is quite questionable because does design still contribute to the democratization of art, as Munari once claimed, or has it become a burden hampering art's spiritual independence? First of all, one needs to consider that business and design are intertwined and pervasive through their dimensions, concepts, and terminology. The priorities of the contemporary agenda put design in an intellectual and so-called ethical context regarding sustainability, which facilitates the penetration of rational and utilitarian aspects of design into the spiritual and inspirational ethos of art. Since design embraces today a more abstracted, personal, and so-called ethical level, it is becoming more difficult to distinguish the blurry borders between design and art. Moreover, art education must deal in a systematic way with the increasing need for the fast and efficient transmission of knowledge. Under these conditions, the question comes to foreground how art and its educational practices should be managed in order to strengthen their independent progress. Such an aim generates by no means a dichotomy between art and design. In contrast, art can greatly benefit from the institutional competitive advances of design obtained in recent decades. Observing and exploring what lies at the heart of design mechanism can work as a stepping stone regarding the further progress of art. For instance, through the power of publicity, the prophecy and the preaching of design gurus and CEOs have become more and more influential in shaping our lives.